In this video, I am going to tell you how to install MinGW. So go on your browser, search MinGW installer, go on this first website, go on download, wait for 3 seconds. Now it automatically downloaded. Click on open file, click on install, click on continue. Wait until it's installed. It's a long process, so you have to wait for a few seconds. MinGW developer kit on MinGW 32 base. Click on MinGW G++. Click on GCC objective. Click on installation. Click on apply changes. Click apply. Now your packages will going to download. It depends on your network how fast it is. Now it's installing. Click on close dialog automatically when activity is completed. Now everything is installed, so we are going to cross this and we are going to go on environmental variables. Go on environmental variables, go on path. You have to go on this PC, double tap, go on MinGW, go on bin. This is the path. Copy this path, add the path, click OK. Okay. Now what you have to do, you have to go on your VS Code, create a demo.c file. Here is the code, run the code, and here is the code working. So you have successfully installed MinGW and you can use